Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter, that is the quadratic equation. Okay, so till class 8 we have learnt about the linear equation of one variable, and there we had the idea how to solve the equations. Okay, so now today is the quadratic equations of one variable only. So see, just look at it on the board here. It is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and a must not be equal to 0. What is this? This is the general expression for a quadratic equation. And here a must not equal to 0. What does this all term has a specific meaning? And let me explain in detail now. So, and before that I will just want to say one more things. In this video I will just give you the introduction part. Okay, what is a quadratic equation means, how they can be expressed, and the examples only. And in other next videos I will teach you how to solve by giving examples. I will give you the process to solve the equations. Okay, so it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here what does this x means? We know that always if any kind of equations, generally the x and y represent or expresses the variables. And you know about the variables. Variable is a value whose value keep on changing. That means value is vary. And a, b, c are the constant term, and here the a, b, c are the real numbers. You know about the real numbers also. So if you see the very carefully this very first term, and if you look at here the x, it is x square. Because the degree of x is 2, we call it quadratic equation, means 2. So what will happen for this degree 2? We will get always 2 values of variable. Because of the power 2, always we will get 2 values of the variables. Okay, so and this 2 values will also be a real number. So now let me give you the examples of the quadratic equations, and let's compare what does this equation means. So let me write the examples here. Say the example is 3x square plus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now see, if you have watched my all videos that I've sent earlier, that you might have seen this very term, this very part. If we just omit this part for a moment now. So what we have here, 3x square plus 5x plus 2. And what we call this part? We call this part the trinomial. In last video I have told you that this is called the trinomials, or simply we call it the polynomials. Because we have 3 terms, we call it trinomials. So as we have equal to 0, now this becomes an equation. Okay, so now let's compare this example with this expression. Okay, let me drop this part here now. So now what we have here, we have ax square, and we have here 3x square plus is okay same, bx is there, and we have here 5x plus c plus 2 equal to 0. So now we can see, we can just get some idea from here that these two expression look similar. Everything is same, but in place of a we have here 3, in place of b we have here 5, and in place of c we have here 2. That means here this is the a, this is the b, and this is the c for this equation. Because just now I said these a, b, c are the real numbers. And you see what a we have here. In this case we have a means 3, b means 5, and c means 2. And what these numbers are called? These all numbers are real numbers. That is why I said earlier that here the A, B, C are the real numbers. Okay, so this is the general idea of the quadratic equations. Now you can copy or you can take a screenshot out also. So let me drop this part now. So this we have understood that this is the quadratic equations. Now what does this very part means? A must not be equal to 0, because if we allow the A to be 0, let me put the value of A here. So A means 0, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is all equal to 0, plus bx plus c equal to 0, and 0 means nothing. So end of will get bx plus c equal to 0, and bx plus c equal to 0 is a form of linear equation. So if we allow A to be 0, so we will not get the quadratic equation. That is why A must not be equal to 0. But this B may be 0, no matter, or C may be also 0. So let me derive you. If we allow B to be 0, let's put the value here. So it is ax square plus b into 0 plus c equal to 0. In the end of, we will get ax square plus c equal to 0. So now see the very x term. What we have here? Power is 2. Still, though the b is 0, still we have a quadratic equation, because here the x is here with the power 2. That means we have still the quadratic equation. What if c is equal to 0? Let's get some idea. If c equal to 0, so it will be ax square plus bx plus c. C means 0. This means ax square plus bx equal to 0. Now see, still in this case also, though the c part is 0, what we have? The remaining part ax square plus bx equal to 0. Still we have x square. That means this is also a quadratic equations. What are the examples? The examples is like that. This is the examples of the quadratic equation. Here we don't have the c part, and here so these are the examples of the quadratic equation. Here a b might be 0, no matter, c may be 0 also, no matter, but a must not be equal to 0 to get a quadratic equation. Okay students, so this is a short introduction part from this video. In next video I will come with some problems and I will solve you, and till then be safe, be at home, and keep yourself safe.